On this short video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat error code. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Snapchat, and then all what you want to do here is very simple. Just click on this force stop option and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then disable it. After that, what you want to do next is go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat and update it. Very easy and simple as you can see. After you update your Snapchat, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.